Jai Hind students, welcome to the course. So, this is our first class of the course. So, for that, we are going to start from the very basic in the mathematics. As in English, we know that alphabet is the very basic. So, similarly, in our mathematics, digits and figure is the very basic one. As you are able to see, that digits and figure it is mentioned over here. So Hindu Arabic system it is written. So on in Hindu Arabic system there are total 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are total 10, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits. These are also known as figure. Basically, we call that two-digit number, three-digit number, four-digit number. It comes from here only. How many numbers that we are wanted to use? That these number are the digits. Suppose we are using two digits, so we can say them as a there is a two-digit number. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 0. Similarly, now let us move to the next. That is the notation. Notation means writing the number in the figure or digits is known as notation. For example, as you are able to see here, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6, 9, 8. It is written over there. Any type of number or figures we can note it down. As I think that you are getting a confusion why sir is not reading the number in proper order. For example, Indian or international system like thousand, millions that we are using, correct? But here right now we are dealing with the notation. As suppose it comes in your telephone number, then how you are pronouncing? As you are able to see my contact number and WhatsApp number also. So I will read +91, that is my Indian standard code. After that 97758135889. I will not pronounce it 9 million or 9 billion or 9 crore 97,000 like that, because these are the numeral digits. They don't have any proper pattern over there. Okay, now let's move to the next, that is here known as numeration. Numeration means writing the number in the words. For example, same are you able to see here the number that is written over there 245686988. Now this number suppose I need to pronounce in Indian form, then how I will write? So numeration means writing the number in words. So how we will write this number 2456868, 2 crore 45 lakh 68,698. This number I will pronounce in such a way. And similarly, suppose this number I have written in terms of Indian system I am pronouncing, because crore is written over there. So I'll put the commas in form of that. So in Indian system, the commas will be first 3, after 2, again 2, again 2, it will be carried on. First it will be 3, after that 2, 2, 2. Now let's move to the next, that is known as periods. So period means basically, as you are able to see here, particular one table is drawn over there. In this table, as you are able to see, it is written over there number. So it is known as period, khada period, arab period, crore, lakh. Let us start from the very basic, that is from ones period. We call ones period because this number are written only one time. Ones, tens, hundred. This is a single digit, the place they occurred. And this is known as thousand period, lakh period, crore, arab, khada period. These are known as periods. After that, it is known next. It will come as a place value. Place value means place it occupy in the place value chart. For example, as you are able to see here, the number 2456869. The place value of 8, for example, I need to find it out. Then what will the place value of it? So as you are able to see here, that is ones, tens, 100,000. It is there 8,000, correct? Again, one more place value of, there are two 8s as you are able to see. First one 8 is here and second one 8 is here. So the place value of this 8 is, after that whatever the number is there, I will put here 0. So 8,000, and place value of 8 is 8 because there are two 8s over there. Same like that. After that, there is a next topic, that is a face value. Face value means face value is that digits remains as it is. For example, 2456868, the face value of 8 is 8. As you are able to see here, face value of this number means the whatever the number, that number is there, the face value will remain same. For example, 8 face value is 8, 9 face value is 9, 6 face value is 6, 8 face value is 8, 2 face value is 2. Similarly, the next concept that we are going to learn, that is known as expanded form. Expanded form, as you are able to see here, I am using the same number every time. Here also I am using the same. 24568698, 24568698. So it will be easy for you when you are trying to recall each and every topic, as you are able to see here the number 24568698. So how to write in the form of expanded form? Expanded form means I will write in elaborated form. So see here how I am writing. Here as you are able to see here 2. After that let me count how many numbers are there. Let us count 1, 2. You can count with me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Again, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. Now let's count these digits. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfectly 7. So I think that you are able to understand. After 2 means if I will write the first digit number 2, 2. After that, how many digits are there? As already I told you, digits and figure. That is simple, the numbers. So how many digits are there? That many zeros I will insert here. Similarly, the next number is 4. After 4, how many digits are there? Again, I will insert that many zeros here. Similarly, after 5, again, how many digits are there? That many zeros. Again, after 6, how many digits, how many numbers are there? 4 number as you are able to see here. So it will be here 4 number. Similarly, after it, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So here it will be 3 zeros. After that, here after 6 there are 2 numbers, so it will be 2 zeros. After 9 only one digit is there, so only 1 0. After that 8 no number, so I will write 8 into 1. So similarly in your examination also, suppose the question will come, or if you wanted to know what do you mean by expanded form. So expanded form is each and every number I will write in expanded way. For example, what is the place value? As we can understand, what is the expanded form is basically the addition of the place value of individual digits. Already we know that place value, what does mean? I think, can you tell me what is the place value? So place value, as I already told you, place value, for example, the place value of 8. So after 8, what is the position? Place means what? What is the position of the particular number? So there are two 8. First 8 is here and second 8 is here. So what is the position of the 8? For this first one, that is the 8,000, second one is your 8. So similarly, each and every place value I am trying to find out, I will add by the plus sign, and don't forget to mention to place the bracket over there. If you are placing the bracket, then we can understand that each and every process that we are trying to do, that is 100% correct. Okay students, now let's move to the next, that is method of numeration. Means there are numeration we understood. Numeration means what dear? Writing the number in words. So in words also we can write in two different systems. First one is Indian and second one is international. Indian, basically we say that the Indian, as you know that India we are using rupee, in international currency we are using dollars. So similarly in India we will write the number in terms of different periods. The period it is going to change. An international format we are using the millions and billions. Also we know that in our geography or as economics or any type of census data that we are going to get, it will be written in forms of millions and billions. So it is beneficial, it is very much important for us to remember all these types of numeration. So there are, in as per mathematics, there are two types of numeration that can be written in all over the world. That is, first one is your Indian or Hindu Arabic. Basically, it we can say, as in some of the book the author is written as the Indian, some of the writer they will write a Hindu Arabic, some of the writer even they will say as the Indo Arabic system also. All of them are same. Basically we wanted to, and this table we have created, this table we call as a place value chart. Some of the author they will say as a placement boxes also. Basically in terms of place value we are trying to write, due to that the name came placement boxes. So we can even say as a place value chart also. Now once period it is written, once, tens, hundred, as you are able to see here, once period. Already there are a big border as you are able to see here. This period is locked. Once period means the data can be only used once. For example, once is only one. Tens can be only tens. 100 can be 100 place. I think you are getting confused, sir. Why it is 100 place only? Means 100, 10, 100 like that. Nobody once, no one tell you. So like 100 is only one, 10 is only one, and once is only once it is written over there. Due to that it is considered as a once period. And thousand, now see here the difference. Thousand period, why it is given two? Because in thousand it can be represented in two ways. Either we can say 4,000 or otherwise 68,000. Means 10, 10,000 means there is two numbers also I can join it. 10, 10,000. It can be written tens place is also there. Thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, 10 arab, kharab, 10 kharab. So after kharab also the numbers are there, but as per your knowledge and as per your level, we can consider up to kharab. But don't think that after curve there is no particular period. There is the period that we can study in our further classes, but as per your level you can understand up to this. Now dear, how I taken this number? Same number every time I am choosing, as you are able to see here, 2 4 5 6 8698. So see a same number. If I need to write there, how I will write in terms of names? As already I have written once, let us come to the upper, that is numeration. I think you are able to note it down, that I have written here 2 crore, same number I told, correct? Now this number how I written over there and how I inserted the comma, you will understand right now. As you are able to see, after 2 I have placed here the number is same, 2456 8698, 2456 8698, same numbers here after 2 comma, because it is a crore period. This is one box. So as or not, this is one box, after that comma again 45, it is lakh period, so after that comma again 68, after that comma, as you are able to see, again after that 698. So this is a particular way to find it out. So this is, in this way we should insert the commas. And how to pronounce it? So see a crore period, so we can say 2 crore 45 lakh 68,698. As I have already written in terms of words also, as you are able to see, it is a correct way to write 2 crore, after that comma again 45 lakh, again comma 68,000, again comma 698. Same way in right side also, as you are able to see here, I have written their number name to avoid the confusion. As you are able to see here, 2 crore 45 lakh 68,698. An expansion form also it is written over there. Already I told you what is the position of 2, that should be written in the same order you should write it. So this is known as a place value chart, otherwise placement boxes of Indian system. So as are you able to understand? If you wanted to note it down, you can make the video pause and you can note it down, because this is very important as per examination point of view and also for your understanding also dear. In place of number, any number you can change and you can try to find it out. To make it better understanding, I have used the same number in the international system also. As you are able to see, number, Kharab, Arab, all these things that you should remember, because each and every corner means each and every table that you should create in your examination to write down the answers. Ones, tens, 100, each and every box is how I designed number name and expansion form also that you need to make it. Now let us come to the next, that is your international form, how they are writing. So in international form also, ones, tens, 100. After that, it is, as you are able to see here, 1000 it is divided into 2. But in an international system, it is divided 1000, 10,000, 100,000 also. After that it will come million, 10 million, 100 million. As you are able to see here, HM means 100 million, TM means 10 million, M means million. Similarly, TL means 10 lakh, TCR means 10 crore, TAR means 10 arab, TKR means 10 kharab. So, crore, 1000 period, here we are talking about million. Let us recall again that international it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 million, 100 billion. After that, trillion, and trillion also it will not stop. We can go up to 10 trillion, 100 trillion, and so on. So how we should write the number? As you are able to see here, the numeration, the number is given over there. We are putting into the particular boxes the proper number I have inserted. But here the Indian and international, only one difference is there. As I already told you, three numbers are there. Here will also be three number. After that, in international, all three, it will be the pattern. So we can say here, suppose we need to write, tell them in terms of numeration. In some books, they will say, not say as a numeration, they will say as a write in a number name. And here we are dealing with the new number name, and even we can call it as a numeration also. So million period, 24,568,698. This is a numeration, as you are able to see here, is already written over there. Similarly, suppose I need to write in expanded form, means expansion or expanded form both are same, but in expanded form nothing is going to change. Either it is Indian or it is international. Both remain same. Now let us move to the next topic. Already commas in the Hindu, Indian or Indo-Arabic system. For example, as I already told you, crore period, one box, it is one period. After period by period, we will put one commas, comma, comma. So as you are able to see here, Indian, first I told you here, if you wanted to remember the logic, so here it is 3, again here it is 2, again 2 and carry on. But in international, it will be 3, 3, 3 and so on. Let us move to the next topic, that's estimation or rounding off. It is one of the very important topic, that rounding or rounding of nearest tens. If one digit is more than equal to 5, for example, we need to nearest rounding up. First let me give you an example why it is required. If you went to any shop, so for example you purchase 500, suppose the bill is 502 rupees, your shopkeeper will give you within 500 rupees. The person will not try to take that 2 rupees. That is the rounding bill, basically to avoid that confusion it is done. So now rounding of nearest 10, we need to do the now rounding of nearest 10. 10 means it is a position here. First, as I already told you, first one it is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, it will work on. Now suppose we need to round up the tens place. There is a pattern, as you are able to see here, 4 5 8 2 8 4 5. Now see here, tenth place, this last period, as you are able to see here, number 8. If the last digit, if you are talking about the nearest 10, then I will focus only 28. If it is nearest 10, then I will focus only 28. In 28 also, I will check only 8. If the last digit, if it is greater than 5, then I will add one more, then it will become my 30. If that number is there 5, if the number is 5 means equal to 5, then also I will add here 3, then it will become 30. If the number is less than 5, then it will become same 20. So if you are having confusion, then by the help of example also I can explain you. Let me explain you by the help of example. For example here, for example it is written 2 3 4 5 6. I need to round up the 10th place. So 10th place means this is my 10th place, this is my 10th place, and this is my ones place. So if I need to round up my 10th place, so I will focus my ones place. So ones place is 6. If this ones place, there is a 3 condition in ones place that I need to follow every time. Either this ones place, if it is greater than, as you know, this is a greater than symbol, if it is greater than 5, if it can be less than 5, otherwise it can be equal to 5. 3 conditions are there. If it is greater than 5, then I will add 1, add plus 1 to my 10th place. If it is less than, then I will not add. If it is equal to 5, then also I will add plus 1. Now is 2 3 4 5 6, this is a 6 that is greater than 5, then I will write the number 2 3 4, and in place of 5 I will add plus 1, means in place of there I will write number, and again here it is 6. So 2 3 4 5 plus 1 6, then here also 6, and the estimate budget, once I got this number, after that I will put that number as a 0. So this is the rule of the estimation, means you should take care about this number, means it is 5, you should check before number. If it is greater than 5, then this number will become 6. If it is equal to 5, then also it will become 6. If it is less than 5, then this number will not change. For example, let me give you one more example so it will be easy for you. 2 3 4 5, let it be 5, 2 3 4 5 4, and one more number, let us take 2 3 4 5, let it be 8. So see here, now again rounding of 10th place, 10th place. So before that number I will check, before number I will check, again before number I will check, again here also before number I will check. in the same number, the 10th place. If it is 10, then I will check once. 5 is less than, 5 is equal to 5. Equal to 5 means what I will do here? Add 1. So my answer will be 2 3 4 6 0 directly. This is my estimate. Some same example here, 2 3 4, before number it will not change. 5 4, 5 4 means it is less than. Less than means I will not add, so answer will be directly 50. In the same way, suppose here I need to find out 2 3 4. Now it is greater than 5, because 8 is greater than 5, then I will add, the answer will become my 60. Hope you are understanding. Let us take one more example, because it is very much important as per the examination point of view, so we can't ignore it. 2 3 4 5 6 8, let it be this number, and in examination they will ask you to do the estimate. They will tell you to do the estimate. Now how to find out the estimate? Estimate, they, whenever they will tell in estimate condition, you should check every time 2 3 4 5 6 8, the maximum number that you should round up. Maximum number you should round up means before that number you should check. This number is 3. If it is less than 5, then the number will be same, then my answer will be here. Then my answer will be whatever the numbers are there, that will be 0. Same number means if it is less than, then it will become 0. After that automatically it will come down. Now let us take the second example. For example 3, same number. Let me make it. For example 2, let it be 2 5 4 5 6 8. Now I need, whenever they will write the question as estimate, at that time every time you should think the maximum number they want to round up whenever they will write. Now before that number, if it is 5, already I told you the rule. If it is 5, then also I will add, then what is the answer? 3. After that all the answer will be 0, because it is 5. Then my answer will be, I will add that number, it become 3. Now similarly, see here all of you, that I am estimating. Estimating means maximum number I will check. Before that, what is the number? Here it was 3. It was less than 5. Due to that I kept here 0 0 0. Now it is 5. Then I will add one number. Then instead of 2 it become 3. After that all number 0. Similarly 2 6 4 5 6 8. I need to estimate. So I will check the bigger number beside. Now bigger beside that number is 6. Since it is greater than 5, then I will add this number. So 3. After that all number, as we learned, that I will place here 0. So as you are able to understand here how I am solving it, this number I got here 0. So this is a process to do estimate. I am writing one question. I request everyone to solve it. 4 5 6 2 3 4 4 6 2 3 4 4 8 6 2 3. So this is the question. Let it be question number 1. Let it be question number 2. Now you can, I will record, pause the video. I request you to solve it. Dear student, please try to solve it and tell me what is the estimate that you got from this number. The answer is 5000, because maximum number beside value I will check. Maximum number beside value. Maximum number beside value. This number, if 5 is great 5, then also I will add this number. 4 4, then I will not add, the simply it will be 0 0. Beside number is 8, that is greater than 5, then answer will be my 5. So hope you understood this logic, how to solve it. Now let us move to our particular questions. They will be the question that round up nearest tens, nearest hundred, and so on. As you are able to see, already we cover up. They can ask the question as a round up nearest hundred. Nearest hundred means 68. I will try to focus it and I will try to find out. As I already told you, 100 means 8. Before that number is 6. 6 means greater than 5, then I will add the number. So 45900. Now in the same case you see the 100, before that number is 58. 5, then also I will add the number. Then question will be 45900. And suppose it is less than 5, then answer will be 45800, as you are able to understand. Okay, after that we need to learn a very important topic, that is your ascending order and descending order. Arrangement of the number from smallest to largest is known as ascending order. In a question paper, it will be given like that, and you need to identify which number is smallest, which number is largest. So from this question, we need to identify. So how I will check in the examination? So first I will count the number of digits. Here also 5, here also 5, here also it is 5. Okay. So by this I can't able to say that which number is greatest. After that I will check the first digit. First digit 222. Okay, 222. After that it is 555. Okay, 555. I can't say 488. Okay, 4 is the smallest. So I will write 4 as a first. And how to identify which is the smallest and greatest sign. So I hope you know this symbol. This whenever the small tip is given over there, I think you can remember by the story of the crocodile. If the mouth is bigger, so that value is bigger. If the point is small, so that point is small. So 2525486 is smaller than 25868. After that 25899 will be the number. Next number will be your descending order. Descending order means here we can say as ascending order means smallest to largest, and descending order means largest to smallest. If you are understanding, I hope same arrangement is there, that is done in reverse order, means largest to smallest. So I request you can pause the video and you can try yourself whether you are getting the proper order or not, and if it is not, then why. Means the largest number I will write first. As you are able to see here, the sign changed, the greater than sign, and it is represented. After that it will come as a successor. Successor means any number I have written over there, any whole number to add one, that is known as successor. For example 25486, I will need to find out the successor. Then what I will do, I will simply add 1. 25486, if I add, I will get 25487. This is the successor of the number. And similarly, in the question paper, they will play the trick also, successor of the successor. Then what I will do here, how many successors are there? One successor and two successors. So I will add plus 2. If there is one successor, then I will add the number plus 1. If there is two successor of successor, then I will add 2. Then my answer will be 25486. So successor of a successor is 25486 plus 2. So this is my value. I will get 25488. So I will get the value 25488. And precedere means that will be minus 1. So any number they will say, in that number, suppose they will tell you to find the precedere, then you should minus 1. Simply you need to find out the minus 1. And similarly they can play the trick, precedere of precedere means double precedere if they take, then you need to do minus 2 of the given number. For example 25486, if I need to find out the precedere of the number, then answer will be 25486 minus 2. And if it is only one precedere, then I will do minus 1. Now let us move to the next. Before moving to the next, I have a small assignment. I request you to complete this. Let me check how many of you understood. What is a successor? Suppose I need to find out successor of 2, or let it be here 3999. What is the successor of this? You can pause the video and you can tell me, or you can note it down. What will be the answer? It is the 3999. Very good students. 3999 plus 1 I will do. How much I will? 9 10 0 1. Carry 1. Here it will 10 0 1. Carry 10 0 1. Carry, it will become your 4000. Super, very good. Similarly, successor of 9999, can you tell me what will be the successor of this number? Very good students. 9999 plus 1 I will do. Let me check. 9 plus 1 10 0 1. 9 plus 10 0 1. 9 plus 1 10 0 1. 9 plus 1 10. Okay, very good. In the same question, they can rotate the question also. They will say as a largest 4-digit number. Successor of largest 4-digit. Successor of largest 4-digit number. How you will find out? So don't get confused. Largest 4-digit number is your 999. Okay, same method you should apply and you should solve it. Plus 1. Then you will get the same answer as we got before. Now suppose same question they will say as a smallest 4-digit number. Then how you will solve? Smallest 4-digit number. What is the successor of smallest four digit number. Then how you will solve? Smallest four digit number, smallest four digit number is 1000. Correct? Now I want to find out successor plus 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1. Very good. I hope so you understood. Similarly, the question will come for preceder. That condition also you should be able to understand. Preceder, the question will come. Then how you will solve? For example, 2, let it be here 2000. What will be the precedent of this number? So minus 1. If I do minus 1, what I will get here? I think you know the subtraction. It will went here. It is 2, then it will carry, it will bring here 1. Again it will bring here 1. Again it will carry here 1. So it will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here it is 9. Here also it is 9. Here it is 1. So this is the precedent value. So they will rotate the question in such a way that you should be able to answer it here. Now let us move to the next, that is how to write the Roman numeral. Roman numeral, it can be represented as Roman number. As we are able to see in our classroom also, it is written 4, 5, 6 like that, so on. So Roman number means 1, it is represented as 1. I, it is represented as 1. V, it is represented as 5. X, it is represented as 10. L, it is represented as 50. C as 100. D as 500. M as 1000. I bar, I think up to here you have listened in your classroom. The very tricky part, that is I bar. Whenever the question will come I bar, then how to remember that? That is a part. So for that, let us read it. Now in your examination they can given as a question like I bar, they will provide. I bar means always whenever bar is added means 1 into 1000. Whatever the number is there, I will multiply 1000. Then answer will be my 1000. Now similarly, suppose I am putting here V bar. V already we know that is 5, and I will multiply by 1000. Whatever it is written, I will multiply by 1000. I will get the answer. So it is my 5000. For example, Vi bar. Then how I will write? Don't think it is your class 6, because there is a difference. Vi means it will become 5 plus 1. V plus 1, correct? Into 1000. So what will be answer? 5 plus 1, 6 into 1000. So what will be answer? 6 into 1000. Answer will be my 6000. So 6000 is my answer. So hope you know this and you have understood it. So similarly, we need to write the number bar. Already I explained you. There are certain rules that you should remember for writing the numeration. A Roman number into numeral, a Hindu numeral, or else Hindu numeral into Roman number. There are particular rules to remember, and the most easiest one, as you are able to see, repetition number means addition. Suppose the number is written xx vv I, and it is written mm, that means all the number it we can add xx, it is written over there. Then we will understand 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Cc, 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Smaller numeral number written left side of the largest numeral is always added, and larger number represented in left side of smaller number is always subtracted. Already it is written over there. I hope that you are understanding. If you are not able to understand, so let me give you an example. After that it will be clear for you to understand. For example, let me give you an example. Suppose it is written VI. Already in our classroom it is written, correct? If you are class 6 standard and so on. So if VI, and some of the classes you have listened that it will be written 1V. We will understand it. Now what is the difference between this one, first one, and second one? So first one, now see that how I am identifying the left side, it is 5, another number is here 1. I don't know that whether I need to do addition or subtraction. Let us find it out. Now here it is written 1, first one is 1, second one is 5. Okay dear. Now you tell me 5 and 1 it is written over there. For example, if I done 5 minus 1, no doubt I will get the answer. If I am doing 1 minus 5, whether I will get the answer dear? I will get the answer, that is minus 3. Okay. And suppose I am doing 5 plus 1. The 5 plus 1, it will become my 6. In the same way, here suppose I need to find it out. Then I will write here 1 plus 5 is equal to, it will be my 6. Here I can represent 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Sorry, here it will be minus 4. And here I can represent as 1 5 minus 1 we can say as a 4. Now there are three conditions over there. So I think that you are able to understand there is a small confusion if I am writing VI and IV. So I am not able to understand whether it is 4, minus 4, 6 or which number I should take. Due to that the mathematician has created one beautiful steps. For that it will be easy for you to understand. So VI whenever they told left side, if the left side number is greater, for example 5 1 left side is greater, correct? In that condition what you need to do, you should add that number. If you will add you will get number 6. Similarly suppose it is written IB means 1 5. As you know that which is left which is right, let me denote by the color. Red color is left color, if left number is okay, and let me denote by green color, that is your right side. Okay, so if left number is smaller, then I will minus that number. Then answer will be 4. I hope you understood. Same logic. Suppose I need to write here xv and vx. Correct here? Now let us take x means what? 10. Very good. And v means 50. Very good. In this condition, what will be answer? Sorry, v means 5. Here v means your a 10 and it will be your 5. In the same way here I can take 5, here I can take 10. Already I told you we need to identify left side and we need to identify the right side of the number. So right side number and it is my right side number, and it is my left side number, it is also my left side number. So in this figure, as you are able to see, left side is greater than right side. Then what I will do here, dear, I will add that number. So I will write 10 plus 5, then it will become my 15. In the same way, suppose I need to write here Vx, then I will write here 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now here, already there is a confusion. Now see that 10 minus 5, how much I have written? 5. But here one, the confusion will come. What confusion will come dear? Because V value of 5 is already allocated to V, as you are already know. And here by calculation also we are getting Vx means how much you are getting dear? V. So due to that, in Roman numeral, we will not consider this number. Vx we will never consider. So like that some special conditions are also there that you need to make sure. For that I explained you the second one. Means it is correct and this one is also correct, this one is also correct. So up to certain level only you can accept that. So I hope so you clear that. Suppose left side and right side you should remember. Left side if it is greater then you should add, right side if it is greater then you should subtract that two number. Okay student, very good. Now due to that already I written this example that I wanted to explain you. Already Vx I explained you, correct here? Now let us move to the next topic, that is already we have covered up. Before that moving to the next topic, already as we covered up, before that also let us take one example how to write a numeral number. For example, it is written XLV. Now this number is written over there. How I will identify? The shortest trick is that we need to make the pair of this number. Either you can make pair, but don't forget this I. As you are able to see here how I make the pair. Let me make the circle, but in your position you can make the line, that will be sufficient. One number. Okay, it is 3, correct? Now how I will solve the number? First one is what? IB. Now what is the rule here? I means 1, next number is my 4. Now what I told you the trick here, left side and this is my right side. Left number is smaller, then what I will do here, if it is smaller then I will minus, it is my 5. Left number is smaller, then I will do minus. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. In the same way right side I will check, there is no number, there is only single digit, that is your 10. So there is no need of any confusion, so it is given as 10, correct? Now we got these two number, so finally what we will do, so we will add these two number, 10, 10 plus 4. So 10 plus 4 I will add, how much I will get here? 14. So I hope so you understood. In the same way, suppose same question 14 is written over there. Now in examination, suppose 14 is given, I need to convert into Roman number, then how I will convert? See here, 14 is written, can I write is a 10 plus 4? Very good. Now 10 I know dear, 10 I can represent it by x, but 4 I don't know how I can represent. For that I will take the help 5 minus 1, because 5 also I also I know. So how I am writing here, x plus, it is written 5 minus 1. Then how I will write? IV, because it is written minus. So greater side I will write right side, smaller side I will write left side. So my answer will be XIV. Hope you understood how we are solving this problem. Already we solved this problem here, xi4 we got here 14. In the same way, if we need to solve next number into Roman number, in that condition also we are getting the same answer. Now let us move to the very important topic, that is about our properties. This is very much important, because it is important in for class 6, for class 7, for class 8, even for class 9 and 10 also. It is very much important here, so that we will study this in detail, and it is very much required also. So let us start then. First it will come as a properties. So let us start from the very basic. Let us start from the integers. Integers. So integers, the first property, it will come as a closure property. Closure property. Now what do you mean by closure property? Integers means what? That we need to understand. So before understanding the integer, let us move to the next. I will explain you integer. After that we will come to this topic. Okay, so as you are able to see this chart, this is the number system, students. So in this number system, as you are able to see, the number that is starting, that is, as you are able to see, that is green color, or as you are able to see, and that is known as natural number. Natural number means the number that we can count. The countable number is known as natural number. As number of student in the class, we can count. Number of pages in our books, that also we can count. The countable number is known as natural number. After natural number, it comes as a whole number. Means natural number is there. Actually in this figure it is not mentioned, but the correct answer is after natural number, whole number is there. Whole number, already it is, I have written over there, the set of all natural number including 0. Means natural number is there, after that 0 is also included, then it will become your whole number. Now after natural whole number, after natural number it come whole number, after whole number it comes as an integer. Integer means, suppose the only natural number which can count. Integers means the value can be positive and negative both. For example, let me explain you here in the new slide. Already I told you here, natural number. Natural number means what I told you, countable, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and so on. It is never ending, infinite. Next it will come as a whole number. Now whole number means simply 0 is added, 0 1 2 3 4 5 and dot dot dot. After that it came as an integer. Now I think that you are having the confusion, sir, how this 0 is coming there, or else why it is the need of this integer. What is the need of this integer? Then at that time, dear, let me explain you what is the use of this integer. For example, dear, suppose I am adding 5 plus 4, then I will get here correct answer, that is 9. Very good. Suppose I am subtracting 5 minus 4, then also I will get perfect answer. Very good. Up to here the natural number, whole number will work on. But suppose same thing, 4 5 I am adding, then how much I will get? 9. 4 and 5, if I am subtracting, then dear I will not get here answer as 1, I will get here answer as minus 1. because it is a property of this which number, the 4. What is the sign of the 4? That is plus. And what is the sign of the 5? That is minus. So plus into minus, minus. So minus 1 is the answer. So like that confusion will be there in the future. Due to that they invented the integers. Integers means how they invented, how they produced. So what they done, as let us see in this graph. So it will be more easy for you. Okay, now see in this graph how they done it. Integers they made in the number line. First they point out as 0. 0 means it is the center of the point. 0, after that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. After that it will come minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. It will continue left side, it will continue right side. There has no limit in left side, there is no limit on right side. Both the way it is going infinite. So this is known as your number line, and this point is known as 0 is the center point. After that it will same thing that we are going to learn. Up to here clear? After that, the next topic that we deal as a rational number. Don't worry, we will study all this in detail. Right now you can remember or you can note it down. Now natural number is denoted by n, capital letter N. Whole number is denoted by W. And integers are denoted by either Z, or otherwise some of the author they will consider it as I also. Rational number means what? It is denoted by Q, that is represented P by Q form, means it should be in fraction. That also we will discuss in our later classes. As of now, up to here understood? Okay, now let us wait for the addition of integers. Now how to add integers? So and addition of the integer, that is easy in our number line. How I will add? So see here, up to here, suppose I need to, it is written over there, suppose I need to add the number, then I will move step by step, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, so on. For example, let me give you an example and we will explain it. Suppose it is written over 0, here it will be here 1, here it will be 2, here it will be 3, here it will be 4. Already I told you, here it will be minus 1, here it will be minus 2, here it will be minus 3, here it will be minus 4 and so on. Here it will be so on. Now in the same way, up to here clear? Now suppose it is written over there plus, minus and so on. Now for example, it is already, as I told you, there is two rules. Either we can add or subtract on number line, otherwise directly by the calculation we can do. For example, the question came 2 plus 3. Let it be 5. 2 plus 3 and let it be here minus 5. 2 plus 3. So how I will add that? 2 plus 3 already I know, that is 5. But in our calculation how I am adding, so see here what you need to do. First number is my 2, as I already mentioned in the green color. So from 0, as I already told, this is a 0 point. So 0 to 1, that is 1. So I read it already, I should move 2 points. So I will do step by step. 0 to 1 plus 1. Again 1 to 2. Again plus 1, because 2 times I should jump. Again there is a plus sign. Plus sign how many times? 3 times. Okay, very good. Now let's do the next step. Let me make in a red color. So here it will be 1. So I will move here plus 1. Again I will move here next plus 1. Again I will move here next. That will be my plus 1. So what is the value now? How much I raised? Here I raised up to 5. Already we know that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now see that how I reached. 0 to 2 plus 1 and 3. How I reached? Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 times I have done. Plus 1 I have done here, as you are able to see here. Here I done 2 times and here I added 3 times because I wanted to go ahead. And similarly, suppose same question it came. They mentioned that I need to do the subtraction. 0, let it 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it be here minus 1, let it be here minus 2, let it be minus 3, let it be here minus 4, let it be here minus 5. Suppose the question is 2 minus 3. Now what is the answer? 2 plus 3 we have seen. Now 2 minus 3 we need to find it out. Now 2 minus 3, what will be answer? That is little bit complicated. Now how will do? So already first number is positive, that is my 2. Now see here, same I will apply the logic. that is my 2. So 2 is a positive, so I will go from 0 point plus 1 and plus 1, means plus 1 and plus 1, because I am going up. Now after that they mentioned I need to go here minus. So minus, how I will play the role? So see here second, I need to do here minus. So minus, how I will do? So carefully see that where I am right now, 2. Now I will go minus 1. I will go always, if I am decreasing I will go from reverse, as you are able to see my arrow also, arrow mark you see. How many? Again minus 1, minus 1. How many done? I done 2 times, but I need to do here 3 times. Minus 1, minus 1. Arrows come minus 1. So how many done? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. I have done total 3 times. So what is my right now position? As you are able to see here, that is my minus 1. Already you are able to see my point over there. So what is my location? Already you are seeing minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So what is my position? Minus 1. So this is the process that you need to follow while addition and subtraction of the integer in the number line. Okay, as you are able to see here how they're done over there. If they're decreasing, then you should go from down. If it is increasing, you should go from up. Now the question will let us ask you a very tricky question here. Minus 3 is greater or 2 is greater. So always remember, in negative number, the minus sign will be lesser and lesser, and positive sign will be always greater. So as already you are able to see on the screen that minus 3 and 2. 2 is the greater, means right side will be always greater. Adding a number in the number line. Already we learnt about that. Now already it is given over there. So let us discuss about this. It is already given also. Let me explain you this also. So see here, it is given that 5 minus 3, 5 multiply 3. So how are done? They started from 0 point. As you are able to see here, 0 point. So 0 point, what they done? Initially we learned about the plus 1, correct? But in this question, how they are trying to find it out? So they 5 into 3. They should multiply 5 times. So see here, and how much? 3, 3. They should take 3, 3 jump. So see here, how many jump they took? First 3 jump. 1, 2, 3. There are total how many gaps are there? 3. Here how much gaps are there? You can count 3. Here how many gaps are there? 3. Means 3, 3, 3, 3 gaps they are jumping, correct? How many times? See here. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. So because 5 into 3 I need to find it out. Getting my point? Here 5 into 3 I need to find it out. So due to that they jump into 5 times. So how many numbers are there? That many jump directly will take, and how many times? So here it is written already 5 times that we need to jump. Similarly, suppose the question is about that dividing the number. Let me make a little bit big here so that you will be able to get the logic. As already I think that you are able to see it. How to make it. Multiplication of the number, it is given over there. 5 into 3, it is multiplied, and dividing in the number. Multiplication to be done one step. How many times? 5 times. And it is, what is the gap? 3, 3. So same way you should do in your examination. Suppose the question will come multiplication of the number line, and same about division of the number line. Division, what is the, how they done? Now you carefully see. I wanted to reach to 0. So how they done? 20 divided by 5. Now 5 boxes they done. From where they came? So they set a position, that is 20. After that, first what is the number? 20. So they set one position. What is my starting position? 20. After that they moved 5 back. How many times? So it's here. How many times? 5, 5, 5, 5 till they reach 0. This is a process to divide. I hope that you understood. Okay, now after that there is a rule that we need to follow, that is our board mass. Basically we sense a curriculum V board mass, but as of your level you can understand board mass also, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is also there. So before starting that, let me explain you board mass, just go through it. Curriculum, it is there. So as per your level, as already I told you, board mass is also good thing. So board mass, it is written over there. B for bracket, O for off. Off is also a type of multiplication. D for division, M for multiplication, E for addition, S for subtraction. Now X bar, it is written already. I told you that is your V board mass. I think you remember. Let me write here so it will be easy for you to understand. Here actually the correct is there, V board mass. V board mass, and for V we call as a variculum, that already stated over here. But in your up to your level you can remember board mass, that is also workout, but actually the correct is V board mass. So what is the V? That is your variculum, vinculum we call, and that is represented by bar sign. Now dear, there is a confusion, sir, how to identify what is bar and what is bar and all. So as you are able to see the left side, you just see here. Let me explain you. As you are able to see here, there is one bar, it is kept 5 minus 4 bar. So this they kept over there, 5 minus 4 bar. Now let us start. It is written a bracket of. Now bracket is also different types. First one is known as circular bracket. As you are able to see here, we call as a circular bracket. Is some of the books they will write as a parenthesis bracket, some of the books they will write as a normal brackets, and but it is both are same. It is known as circular bracket. So in the right side already I created one problem. For that it will be easy, let me little bit zoom it for you so that it will be easy for you to understand it. Okay, I hope so now it is clear for you. First they are using as a circular bracket, means in our examination or anywhere, suppose I need to write use the bracket. For circular bracket, as you are able to see here, the circular bracket is also called as parenthesis bracket, also we call as a normal bracket, because every time we are going to use the same bracket. After that we call as a curly bracket or the flower bracket. As you are able to see here how it is the shape, how the shape is, it is represented like this. It is known as, it's look like a flower, so we can say a flower bracket, and it is made, it's curly, due to that we are saying as a curly bracket. After that the next we will consider it as a rectangular bracket or the square bracket, also we call as a big bracket. Rectangular bracket, square bracket or big bracket, as you are able to see here, it is already given over there. Now 5 minus 4 bar, it is given over there. So it don't think it is as a bar. Bar means it will be like a decimal point and so on. It is simple bracket. Basically there are four types of bracket that you can remember. That is variculum. After that it is your circular bracket or curly bracket, rectangular bracket. And in examination the question will come. Suppose the question came like that, as you are able to see here right side. Now how you will solve this question? Now I request you, see here, now I request you to pause the video and you can try to solve the question by your own and check whether you are getting the correct answer or not. Because to solve this, the board mass, it's required very much that you should be 100% familiar with the board mass concept. Then only you can solve it. Because there, as you can see that there is plus, minus is also there, and bracket is also there. Which condition, which I should solve first, then I will get the correct answer. That should be also in your mind. So let us start that. What is the rule I told you dear? The rule already that we discussed, that is your V board mass. V board mass. So see there how to find it out. 9 minus it is 1. First I will solve by V. V for variculum. So where is variculum? That is 5 minus 4. So what is the value of 5 minus 4? That is 1. So remaining thing I didn't discuss here. 9 came minus this rectangular bracket, 8 plus 7 minus, none of these things I disturb. Only my first intention is to remove this variculum. So variculum I removed. As you are able to see here, this variculum I wanted to remove it first. So I removed this number into this one, as you are able to see here. Okay, now it is completed. What is my next? Variculum completed. Now 6 minus 1. What I need to remove, that is again bracket only, because there are many brackets inside. Now what I will do here, variculum after that bracket. So which bracket it is? It is known as your normal bracket. So 6 minus 1, what is the answer? 5, as you are able to see here. Now I solved this one. 6 minus 1 I got here 5. After removing bracket, again I got this number. Now 7 minus 5. Now 7 minus 5, how much I got answer here? 2. Again it is in flower bracket and rectangular or square bracket. So 8 plus 2, already I removed. After that 8 plus 2 I got here 10. After getting here 9 minus 10 I got here, correct? Now after that we need to solve this equation. So 9 minus 10 minus 1. So it is written over there. Basically, see that if the question is that plus 9, because 9 the sign is not given over there, then we will consider it as a plus. So 9 minus this one minus 10. This is the correct order. Now how to solve it? That is a technique for us. So basically plus into minus, minus we need to do. If we are solving in both the way, how I done? Minus 10 minus 11, minus 10 minus 1. If I am doing minus to minus plus, they become 1 1 11. Sign of 11 is better than minus 11. I know that you are facing the right now the difficulty how to use this sign, correct? So definitely first we will try to figure it out, what is the how to solve all these fractions and all. I will teach you in the next video. Okay, now let me explain you by the help of example how to remember this. So first the rules that you need to remember. If you know the rules, you can easily solve. For example, plus is there and minus is there. Now whenever plus into minus it will come minus. Minus into plus, that will come, then also it will come minus. And if it is plus into plus, then it will come here plus. And if it is minus into minus, then it will come here plus. This is a condition rule that you need to remember. If you want, you can note it down because it is very important. So I will discuss type by type problems in this equation. Let us discuss the type 1 problem. Type 1 problem that will come in our examination or 2, and they will mention as 3. We need to add this number. Then before that number, basically we are following the same, but we don't know the rule, and right now we know the rules. Due to that we will apply it. Let me put here color so that it will be easy for you to identify what we are doing. So minus into minus, it will become my plus. Okay. Now before 2, the sign is not given over there. Then what we need to do? Already I told you sign is not given. You can take plus sign. Now see here. Plus into plus. Plus. Now see that. Let me give the number for that. It will be G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see here, as per the third condition, plus into plus, that will be my plus. So I will plus into plus, plus means I will add this number. Now 2 and 3 I will add. 2 plus 3 I will get here 5. Now the sign I need to choose. So sign, there is also, it is written over there, sign will be of greater number. Greater number. Sign will be of greater number. So plus 2 plus 3. So plus into plus plus. So I have done 2 plus 3 5. Now what I need to put the behind sign? So sign is the rule that already I told you. It will be of greater number. 2 and 3, which number is greater? 3. So what is the sign of 3? That is plus plus. Very good. I hope you understood. Now next question I am solving here. Next question I am writing over here. I request you to solve it. Let me check how many of you are able to solve it. Okay. Let us start then. Next question I am writing here. For example, plus 5 plus 3. Now how to solve it? Plus 5 plus 3. Try to solve it. Or else we will discuss in our next class.